Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you that I am participating in the Seasonal Home Autumn Trade Challenge, and this is being hosted by the lovely Tracy from Holiday Cookie Diva. In this challenge, she's asking that we use tray, that we use a candle, we use a autumn decor. And this is what I put together. This is a zero cost challenge for me. I didn't spend any money at all. The tray that I'm using is a tray that I DIY'd, and it's just a box and doorknob. These are pumpkins I already had in my home, and although these are not typical floral flowers, I like these flowers, so I'm going to use them. There's some leaves right there made out of burlap, and there's my pumpkin, my autumn decor for this challenge. The pumpkins and the box, it says autumn blessing. In the lanterns are some DIY candles that I painted in a class with a bronze and a teal color that matches my canister over here that I also painted to match all my other decor. And this is just a cake decoration that from last year that I kept, and I just taped it onto the canister. And these are clippings from my garden, and I just thought I would just put something there just to make it go from the bottom to the top, across, and then to the bottom. So this is what my tray looks like. I really like how my tray turned out. Although not everything matches, I kind of like it. I would like to thank Tracy for hosting this challenge, and I'll be linking below her channel and also the playlist to this challenge. We ask that you go to each and every one of our videos and enjoy them. I'll also be including links to all the challenges that I am participating in. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.